Looky, lovely people. Coupon and Crystal is doing our Ibotta haul. Well, I got those Thanksgiving offer, guys. I got those little free rebates for the Thanksgiving dinner, and I'm quite appreciative. Thank you, Ibotta. And they decided to give me 8 offers for $1. Okay, I'll take it however I can get it. Thank you very much. But you know, I wasn't turning down free food, okay? All right, so we're going to talk a little bit more about the free offers and the free turkey at the end of the rebate. So let's talk about the rebates first. The first rebate I decided to get was on the Great Value Stuffing. Chicken flavored is what I decided to get. They do have other flavors. It's priced 82 cents in my Walmart. That's what I had to pay in store. I got 82 cents back from Ibotta, making this be absolutely free. Great deal. The next thing that I got was the Great Value French fried onions. I love getting the French fried onions because I like to put them on my salad, okay? So this was priced $1.90 in my Walmart, but Ibotta is giving back $2.28, making this be free and a 38-cent money maker. So that was really great. The next rebate I decided to get was the Idahoan potatoes in the pouch, okay? It is for the 8-ounce. Now, they didn't have the plain potatoes. They did have the roasted garlic in my Walmart, so I decided to get that. And I've actually had this before, and it's priced $1.88. $1.88 coming back from Ibotta, making it be free. Yeah. Can't turn down free food, y'all. You can always donate it if you don't eat it. The next thing, Campbell's cream of mushroom soup. Price 98 cents. I got 98 cents back from Ibotta, making this be free. Thank you very much. Next, I decided to take advantage of the Bird's Eye frozen vegetables. And I got the green beans. Okay, this was only $1. And Ibotta gave me back $1, making it be free, guys. Frozen green beans. Throwing that in my freezer. Next, I decided to get the Coca-Cola. We got a Coca-Cola 2-liter. Yeah, that's a great deal. $1.90, but they're giving you $1.98 back from Ibotta, making this be free and an 8-cent money maker, guys. And the next thing I got was the Jiffy Corn Muffin Mix, guys. I got this for 52 cents. Ibotta is giving back 67 cents. Making this be a 15-cent money maker. Great deal. Next rebate I decided to do was on the McCormick gravy, guys. This was priced 93 cents. There was $1.12 coming back from Ibotta, making this be free and a 19-cent money maker. Now, I did get a couple of more things that was not related to Thanksgiving offers. Had to get my Dreft. Y'all already know. The Dreft is amazing stain remover, $3.97. You know, Dreft is a brand of baby products, baby like laundry products, but this is a laundry stain remover and it works very well. If you've never heard me talk about it on my channel, $3.97, $1 coming back from Ibotta, making the final cost $2.97, but it's worth $2.97. Trust that. Okay, it's going in my cleaning cabinet because I'm already using one, but I keep doing this rebate because it's going to be a staple in my house. Now, the next rebate is gone, but I want you to see the bag. The Tate's Bake Shop cookies. Let me tell y'all what. Y'all know I done talked about these cookies before. They're absolutely delicious, okay? They are so good. They were priced $4.28, $1 coming back from my bottle, $3.28 final cost. Now, my husband and I ate this the walnut chocolate chip cookies, okay? Now, let me tell you this. My husband decided to buy the gluten-free ones because he didn't know he bought the gluten-free ones. But Crystal and her palate knew they were gluten-free. I tasted them darn cookies. I was like, cookies don't taste the same. They have an aftertaste to me. That's just me. If you need to get gluten-free and you like them, you get them. But for me, I do not like the gluten-free. Ooh, making sure I'm not getting gluten-free, am I? Ooh, because I did not like them things. Now let's talk about how you can get a free turkey, okay? Now, if you're already an Ibotta user, they didn't give you the turkey rebate, okay? But if you get someone to sign up with your referral code, and I'm gonna pop my referral code up, and you sign up, you don't already have the Ibotta app, you sign up, they're gonna give you the turkey rebate, and then they're gonna turn around and give me the turkey rebate. And it's $15 toward a turkey, I do believe, and that's a good deal. Because see, last time, I do believe I got a turkey breast, I think. It's a great deal. It's free food. Why would you not want it, okay? If you're not already using Ibotta, I encourage you to use my referral code and sign up, okay? Now, just because Crystal has been whining and crying and having a little child fit about not getting her bonus, that doesn't mean that will happen to you. You're probably gonna get all yours because you knew. I'm an old head and they like, she done got enough savings. We ain't giving her none right now. I don't know. I'm not sure. Not sure what is up with that. Let's see if I get a weekend bonus, okay? Let's see if I get a weekend bonus. As much gray as y'all see in my hair, I need to be someone put some color in. Y'all see how much gray I got in my hair? Wow. Woo! This light shows up everything. Well, guys, that is it. I'm getting ready to record the insert preview for this week, and there's some good coupons in there, so be on the lookout for that, all right? Remember, click to save, and you will be amazed. Bye-bye.